So this is Valgro's DB32. That stands for disc brush, 32 inches wide. This is a top surface metal finishing as well as deburring for minor burrs, such as laser cutting and that type of operation.
This machine is our flagship product from the Valgro. 15 years back we developed this machine DB32 for small scale manufacturer sheet metal fabricator who can make the bakery sheet or weighing scale. They cannot afford the big sheet metal finishing machine, so we developed for them aftermarket. And now this machine is really wonderful and we are selling just like anything. This machine is suitable for aluminum circle cookware industries. It's fast moving item, so they can change or they can stop their sandblasting process and avoid the huge cost of the power. And they implemented before Teflon coating these machines for the roughening of the aluminum circles. And also stainless steel sheet polishing application is also this machine is suitable. This machine is capable from 0.8 to up to 2 mm sheet metal thickness for deburring and metal finishing. Let's see the demonstration first on the aluminum circles. See, we have the first, this is the before and what we can do after DB32 process from the Valgro. Wow, so all to be scale removed from the aluminum sheets, which is acid layer. And I talk about the short blasting process removal. On that time, just we have to replace the inside the brush, because in short blasting they use 60 or 80 grit of the abrasive sand or metal shots. So we have to replace the 60 grit of the brush with combination or sandwich construction. Then it will create the very rough surface which can be require any kind of the coating. So this is the aluminum. Now we seen the stainless steel sheets.